क्वालिफिकेशन ऑफ द लैब। आपने लैब के रूल्स जान लिए अच्छे से कि आपका रूल्स क्या है लैब के अंदर आने का। साइलेंटली आना है, कोई भी इक्विपमेंट्स को आपको टच नहीं करना चाहिए अननेसेसरी, जब तक आपको यूज ना मालूम हो। ठीक है, आपको जिस तरह असाइनमेंट दिए जाते हैं, जब आपको स्किल सिखाया जाता है हाउ टू हैंडल, फॉर एग्जांपल थर्मोमीटर, आपको थर्मोमीटर किस तरह से होल्ड करना है या ट्रे को किस तरह से आपको स्किलफुली उठाना चाहिए, ये आप सीखते जाएंगे एंड देन यू हैव टू टेक इट। ओके, और जब भी आपको प्रोसीजर असाइन किया जाता है यू हैव टू मेक अ लिस्ट। आप हमेशा लिस्ट बनाइए कौन कौन सा आर्टिकल आप कबर्ड में से ले रहे हैं और आपको तुरंत वॉश करके और फिर वापस यथास्थान पे रखना चाहिए। डू नॉट टेक द आर्टिकल एंड कीप हियर एंड देयर। ओके, you will be responsible for each article, each equipment because this is your lab। ये आपका सीखने और सीखने का स्थान है। ओके, तो नर्सिंग फाउंडेशन लैब इज वेरी important lab। ओके, so you have to see and you have to learn how to handle equipment first। Okay, so before that you must know the name of the each equipment and article, right? So today just the basic things, basic equipments I will show you। So this is the patient article। Okay, सबसे पहले हम देखेंगे कि बेड बाथ देते समय पेशेंट को जब हम बेड पर बाथ देते हैं उस समय हम कौन कौन से इक्विपमेंट्स को इस्तेमाल करते हैं। तो फर्स्ट दिस इज कॉल्ड जग। ओके, इसे हम जग कहते हैं फॉर द कोल्ड वाटर। यू कैन कीप द नॉर्मल वाटर इन द जग। ओके, दिस इज कॉल्ड मग। ओके, you take the water from the bucket and you can take the hot water then cold water to mix it and then this is called tub। Okay, so tub you can use for the preparing the patient for bed bath। Okay, so you can make the warm water in the tub। The second I will show you, here is a bucket। This is a bucket, you can collect the water in the bucket। Okay, then I'll show you the soap dish। This is soap dish, this is a casual soap dish। Okay, you can keep the soap dish in proper way for the patient। Okay, and this is talcum powder। Okay, so after giving the bath you have to keep the patient fresh, so you can use the talcum powder for the patient। This is lotion, body lotion। Okay, so this is for the smooth skin। Okay, so because the patient while the patient on the bed that time आप जब बेड बाथ देते हैं पेशेंट को सूखा स्किन नहीं रहना चाहिए, तो we can keep patient fresh, we have to use the body lotion also। This is also talcum powder। This is a special powder actually to protect from the itching। Okay, in the summer season। Okay, so this is very important। Now this is toothpaste and toothbrush is very important for the patient for the oral hygiene। Okay, so this is galley pot, this is small one to keep the swab। This is very small cotton swab you can keep inside of the galley pot। this is छोटा सा एक pot होता है जिसमें आप swab रख सकते हैं। you keeping na at the time of giving procedure of the bed bath। Now I will show you the some of equipments to keep the lotion and warm water and cold water। So I have already this is plastic article है ना, and this is the steel article. First drum. This is the drum is we used to keep the drum for to keep the like gauze piece and cotton swab. We are using to keep the drum. This is a steel drum for the patient. You can use for the bed bath or any procedure. Cotton pad, cotton swab, and gauze piece, etc. Okay, and this is a small bowl. Okay, at the time of giving eye care, we are using the small bowl. So according to procedure, you have to select the equipments, right? You will learn in each tray how to select the article and the quantity of article in each tray. Okay, this is medium size bowl, steel bowl. Okay, so you can keep the warm water, okay, for the patient to clean the dressing. Okay, if you are giving the bed bath, okay, if there is any bed sore, you have to keep the warm water with the swab, okay, with gauze piece, and you have to use the medium size bowl, right? This is big basin bowl. This is also bowl, big size. Okay, if you are selecting the patient, you want to keep the little more warm water, you can select the big size bowl. And this is basin. This is called basin. And this is a large size basin. Okay, this both is we can use for to keep the lotion for the different procedure, like sitz bath for at the time of giving bed bath, or if the patient if you are preparing Savlon solutions for cleaning, for dusting, you can keep this large size basin for prepare the lotion. Okay. Now, this is this bowl is also for the same purpose. I already explained, no? And this is a Gary pots. This is called Gary pots. Yeah. This is torch. Why we are using at the time of procedure? To check the patient. Okay. If the patient is having any problem in that teeth, okay, if there is any pain, you can use the torch at the time of physical exam. Okay, and this is also at the time of physical exam, you have to keep in your pocket also for taking measurement of abdominal girth. We call abdominal girth. पेशेंट के जो स्टोमक की हाइट देखने के लिए भी ये ओपीडी में बहुत यूजफुल है. ओके, एंड पेशेंट का हाइट भी मेजर आप कर सकते हैं. Now this is very important. Okay, to collect dressing material. Okay, if there is a stitch remove करते हैं, so you can keep the wastage in the kidney tray. At the time of each procedure, you have to keep the kidney tray along with your tray. This is sputum mug. Okay, or sputum mug. Why? To collect the sputum. If the patient is bedridden, अगर patient बिस्तर पे ही है तो पेशेंट को खांसी आएगी, तो पेशेंट क्या करेगा? कहीं भी थूक लेगा ना. तो पेशेंट को क्या करना, प्रोटेक्ट करना है, और पेशेंट को सिखाना है कि वो स्प्यूटम मग में ही स्पिट करे, और उसको आसानी से क्लोज करके वी हैव टू कीप इन अनदर साइड. दिस इज डिफरेंट साइज ऑफ द ट्रे. ओके, this tray is the small tray with the cover. Okay, and we are using, most probably we are using for the stitch removing tray and dressing, to keep the dressing material. Okay, so this is a small tray and this is big size tray. Okay, this big size tray we can use to keep the dressing material like gauze piece, cotton pad, etc. Okay, and you can set up your tray like TPR tray, okay, your bed bath tray or bed care tray, hair care tray. You have to specify the procedure by set up the tray in different sizes, right? So now this is the linen. Linen is this is why we are using the linen? To comfort the patient backside, or sometimes you can give to support the patient. Okay, this is pillow. This is called blanket to protect the patient from cold. This is called Macintosh. Okay, this is rubber sheet. Okay, protect the patient from wet. Okay, and we are spreading for the patient below the hip. Okay, and this is broad sheet to cover the Macintosh. This is bed sheet. Okay, bed sheet. This is also we are using in on the mattress as a bottom sheet and upward of the blanket as a top of the sheet to cover the patient. This is pillow cover. You know this is pillow cover. You every time you have to check the pillow. If the pillow is not clean, you have to change the pillow cover. And this is a mattress cover. Okay, this is mattress cover. One is the blanket cover. This is blanket cover. Okay, so you have to keep the to cover the blanket. This is towel. So towel is also we are using in a different size. Okay, so this is linen, and you have the equipment, basic equipment for the bedside patient care, right? And this is not completely different. This is called sauce. This is a saucepan, okay, to boil the water for the patient. Okay, this is a small size top. Anything? There is two more things. This is jug to keep the hot water. Okay, this is jug. You can use to keep the hot water. And this is this one. Anybody? This is a enema can. Okay. At the time when the doctor is ordering the enema for the patient, so we have to use the enema can properly. Okay. So you will learn how to use the enema can for the patient. Okay. So can I ask you some questions now? Anybody? Okay. Sorry. हाँ कुछ छूट गया था. There is some plastic article. This is for the feeding of the patient and medication. Okay. So at the time of medication, using this is the measuring jug. Okay. This is 50 to 100 ml. So at the time of giving any medicine, you cannot use the common glass. Okay. You have to measure first any solution which is syrup or medicine which is ordered to give orally. Okay. And this is a measuring. What is it? Yes. What is it? Measuring jar. Okay. This is also 25 to 50, 60 ml. Okay. And this one is a small measuring cup. And this is 5 ml to 25 ml. And this is called
feeding cup.
feeding cup. This is feeding cup to give for warm water or milk. You can help the patient to take through the feeding cup like that. You can remove this cover. You can prepare the okay. You can keep the milk or water. You can help the patient to drink in a smooth way. Okay. This is we are using at the time of medication also. Okay. So this is the enough for today's class. This is for the basic equipments class, and especially you should know the name of the each equipment for the basic care of the patient. Okay. In next class, I will help you to know the instrument, each instruments and their name. Okay. So anybody can come here and show the sum of 2, 3 equipments and their name, please. So Priya, please come.
Good morning to all. This is bed bath equipment. This is mug, plastic mug, jug, and this is plastic mug.
Good.
This is bucket, plastic bucket, and
Okay.
in that we take water for bed bathing. This is tub, plastic tub for bed bathing, and for this is simple soap dish, and this fog master. It is a powder. After bath, we give to patients for to feel fresh, and we also apply body lotion to them for moisturizing their skin. And
This is called,
this is
anybody remember?
Telepot.
Okay. To keep the small swab. Right. Okay, Supriya, thank you. Please clap for the Supriya. Okay. Anybody from the boys, please come and just explain the some of the equipment from steel equipment. The name of the steel equipment. Please come. Yeah. No need. Whatever you remember, you have to. Please come. Yes. Come on, first one. Please come. Ajay. Okay. Just let him to select the name of the. You remember the name of any of equipments? You can come and share it. Anybody else? Please come second. Yes. Come. Yes. Yeah. Good.
ये स्मॉल ट्रे है इसमें हम लोग स्टिचिंग के इक्विपमेंट जो होते हैं इसमें कैरी करते हैं और इससे बड़ी वाली जिसमें ज़रूरत के हिसाब से जैसे वो सब टिकिया ट्रे और
This is
Or
a
a
small
common.
tray. This is again I will explain. This is a small tray which you can select according to assigned procedure. For example, injection tray. For example, any stitch removing tray. Okay, and this is we call it large tray, मतलब बड़ी tray with cover. Okay, you can select it for the bed bath or hair care. Okay, and you can equip your all the article inside of the tray. Okay, now you all understand?
Yes, ma'am.